So this here is one of our pre-cooling solutions. This is heading down to a Melbourne-based client next week, and it's actually going to be installed on a chiller deck roof for a data center. So what this solution is going to provide is basically a reduction in overall temperatures by up to 10 degrees and an increase of the coefficient of performance by up to 30%. So what our clients are finding is that in peak summer times, their chillers are really struggling. So, you know, when you're seeing temps out there that are 35 degrees and above, a lot of the times their chillers just aren't keeping up and they're going into shutdown mode or performance is massively reduced. What this solution provides is basically a massive plume of mist that's going to pre-cool the air heading into these air-cooled chillers. Each module on this pump skid is running twin 20-inch water filters, stainless steel supply line, pump head, pump motor, and a pressure gauge on the front to make sure that things are running at 1000 PSI. We also have a transfer pump on this system. This particular unit is capable of delivering up to 520 litres a minute, which is going to service all 11 42 litre a minute pumps. The system here is also running a custom control panel. This client requested that each pump could be manually turned on and off, but we do offer options for PLC or BMS control. Now, if you're familiar with OZmist, you'll know that all of our systems run at 1000 PSI. That's going to create that 10 micron water droplet that's going to flash evaporate. So we won't be wetting surfaces and we certainly won't be wetting coils. The idea is to have that evaporation occur, which is going to reduce the ambient temperature. But keep in mind that it's a pretty cold morning here today, so we're going to see quite a lot of mist generated. In the peak of summer, when we're seeing those 42-degree days, you're going to get a massive amount of evaporation, but that's really important because evaporation is what's going to pull that latent heat energy out of the air and reduce overall temperatures. Now, it is worth noting too that for our test rig, our nozzles are spaced really close together. Typically on site, they're going to be spaced out every 750 mil, so we'll see a lot less mist on site. So switching the system on is really simple. As I mentioned before, this client requested individual control of each pump. We're currently testing pump 11, so it's just a case of going along. So this solution here is really appropriate for anybody that's finding their chillers or condensers are struggling in the summer months. And we do make systems that are smaller, we make systems that are bigger. Whatever you need, get in touch at inquiries@ozmist.com.au and see how we can help you.